For those that I haven't had a chance to meet, my name is Harry, and today we're going to be doing a review of the operation of the new Farber FE28 VA vehicle. I'm going to start by taking a look at a couple of the documents that are in the info bag here and an overview of the bag itself. All the Farber vehicles come with this documentation bag. A couple of the items that are in the bag is a maintenance schedule. Whether you'll see it on the camera there or not, but it's this is the new Generation 4 VA MVC, and there's a maintenance schedule here for the generator, the chassis, and the last page is just normal vehicle maintenance. So that's going to be on board in the black bag. Also, there's going to be a key list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different keys to operate all the locks on the truck. Some of them will be seldom used. Till you get familiar with the keys, this key list will help you. Speaking of the keys, here they are. They're clipped onto the bag. The VA requested 4 sets, so there are 4 complete sets. On all 4 sets will be a security alarm fob. And I'll get this set off of the clip here and show you what that's about. It's a Viper brand modified security alarm fob, and should you choose to use it and set the alarm, you're going to press the padlock that's shown being locked. You get 1 beep and it'll activate. Disarm, press the padlock unlocked, 2 beeps and it disarms. There are 2 motion sensors. You want to find the location of those. Electrical drawings in the back. One of those in the back is a physical drawing. Shows you where every component, every device, every piece of equipment is located on the vehicle. I looked at the drawing earlier. One of them is in behind the panel here above the driver, the motion sensor. The other one is behind the 12-volt panel, about midway back here where the equipment rack and the electric panels are, and it's in behind there. The reason I'm mentioning the location, should you be getting false sensing, nobody broke into the vehicle but the alarm keeps going off, you may need to reduce the sensitivity. And another handout that will be in the bag there is how to adjust or reduce or increase that sensitivity with pictures and step-by-step. Should you need to do that, you need to be aware of that. I'm not going to go through every document in the info bag, but start out quickly with the chassis section. This is a Freightliner shuttle bus chassis. This happens to be the Operators and Maintenance Manual. So everything about the chassis, what's underneath the vehicle, what makes it go down the road, is in that manual. It has an Allison transmission. Information on the transmission is in that binder. You have a Cummins ISB 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Information about the engine you'll find in there. There's some warranty information in there also. Michelin tires. Go back to the generator section, labeled generator. A lot of the pieces of equipment, devices that are on board the vehicles, and the trend today is to get rid of a lot of the paper documents and put it on CD or USB, electronically available. An example of that is the Cummins Onan generator. You have a 12 kW Cummins Onan diesel generator, and all the information about it is on this CD. Next section is HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning. You're going to see information in there on your 2 roof air conditioners. You have what we call 3 tow heaters. One of them happens to be right there. Has the thermostat control knob on the front of it, and there's 2 more as you walk further to the back of the vehicle for those what we call tow heaters. The Air conditioners, I can probably expand on that, so don't forget about it later. On the two roof air conditioners, they're a maintenance item there. The air intake is these grills here. You're going to see a grill like this for this air conditioner in the front, another one just like it in the back, and you just do a visual. A lot of airflow through there, and you see this starting to get a lot of dirt buildup on it. It's a good time to take out the 4 screws, drop that foam pad down, wash it out, dry it out as needed, and put it back in place. Takes wall thermostat, similar to the thermostat you might have at your house. 1 thermostat per air conditioner. That's your carbon monoxide alarm right there, and around the corner is the thermostat that I want to talk briefly about. There's no rocket science here. It's made by Coleman Mach. You have a system switch, cool, fan, off or heat, and fan control, high, low, auto. Unusual to see on an air conditioner thermostat a heat position. Well, these have a heat strip built into them so that, let's say it's a chilly morning and you're going to be conducting business and you want to warm up the vehicle, the interior of the vehicle very quickly. Put both air conditioners over to the heat position and warm air will come out all of the vents. I understand this one is going to Ponce, if I pronounce it correctly, Puerto Rico. You won't have a heat issue there, but we find history says that these vehicles tend to move around. Where they end up getting delivered to, who knows where they might end up. Might end up in Minnesota, northern Michigan, whatever, where heat would be an issue. So be aware of that heat strip built into your roof air conditioners. Now I mentioned that that's warm air. Now if it's down around freezing or below, that's not going to be sufficient, so then you would switch to the electric heaters, the tow heaters, and they make hot air. So you can decide what you need to do to maintain a comfort level throughout the interior of the unit. So that's the HVAC, a little more information on the HVAC system. Electronics section, kind of a catch-all information on your Lexmark printer, your Sony Blu-ray player, your Vizio monitors. Next item here is your microwave oven, your Norcold dual voltage refrigerator. You get the idea, 2 fire extinguishers. That documentation is all in here, and I mentioned earlier the electrical drawings. Each of these sections are different, and there's a legend on the front. If maybe your electrician at the vet center might be on the phone with maybe one of our engineers or one of our electricians at Farber, and they want you to take a look at the drawing and compare notes on what might be going on. The legend here, a list of drawings that are on that particular page. So be aware of those. They're in the back of the bag.